Alright, what's up vlog? Welcome back to another video. So right now I'm on the charts, but it's 7 a.m. here in Cali, so my trading session for the morning is coming to an end. I don't see any setups. Market's pretty buns, very choppy. So what I think I'm gonna do now is go downstairs to the gym, get in some fasted cardio, and then shower, hit sauna, all that stuff, and then I got some meetings to do, and then hopefully we will trade PM session. So in about 3 hours or so. I've been spending time making my setup a little cleaner, even though I'm moving in a bit, but I got my little fragrances there. I love all of these very much. This is my little work setup. Nigga use this DJI. But yeah, chill little work setup. Got the view, the nice morning sunrise. Okay. Let's see if the boys are awake. Jeremy's out. How you doing, Tristan?
Brain rot.
Brain rot?
Morning brain rot.
There we go. You gotta hit some morning cardio in a bit.
Heck yeah.
There we go. Yeah, let's jump on Jeremy. Let's jump on Jeremy. What's bro getting up like that? Vlog, look how nice it is in our living room. Damn, okay. Grateful for this crib every morning. Gotta be grateful for the things you have, even though you want more. We're caked up. Alright, vlog, in the elevator, we got Tristan here. Alright, damn. It's not that cold out. Me and Tristan are on the grind to get as fit as possible for Bali. We leave in what, 3 weeks? We'll still be working out and doing stuff there. I'm gonna be training, or we'll be training MMA. But just want to get fit. If you didn't know, guys, fasted cardio taps into fat burning instead of burning carbs. If you are doing it at low intensity, like walking, if you start doing fasted cardio but running, you will start burning muscle. I went down the rabbit hole of biohacking for so long, and then I used to be fit, everything. We get back into it. I miss being that in tune with my body and everything. So we're gonna do about like 2 miles of fasted cardio. Alright, vlog, just wrapped up the steam room, and now we're back at the crib. I got a meeting here in like 20 minutes, I believe, so I'm gonna take that, and then I'm gonna be trading PM session, and then who knows for the rest of the day. Hey, what's up, vlog? Just want to come in here and tell you guys, click the link below. It's completely free. Join my free Discord community. Shows videos on my strategy, how trading works, gives you a community. It's completely free. Just trying to get more people in there and build a family in there. Okay, so click the link below, completely free, and then let's continue with the vlog. Alright, vlog, just got food, making some eggs right now. Got some breakfast sausage, got music going. It's a good day. It's a good day, vlog. Alright, vlog, this will be rocking. We got eggs, pasture-raised chicken, maple sausage, avocado, and then kimchi. So good. Alright, vlog, I'm about to enter these NQ buys right now. Alright, I'm in these NQ buys. We are at a 1 hour demand, as you can see right there. And then we just broke structure to the upside. So I'm in these buys, targeting a 1 to 2. Also where this trend line is, so it's a beautiful, beautiful setup. Alright guys, we are ripping. Very clean trade, 0 drawdown. This is what happens when you have good confluence with your trade. Got the boys dialed, just eating breakfast. I'm fucking up my food. Jeremy eating his butter chicken. Guys, it's literally a random Tuesday morning. It's 10:30 a.m. I don't have to show up to work. I'm with my boys eating breakfast, making money. Why would you not get into trading? Or take it serious. Alright, little trade update vlog. So we are currently up 2K. Price is running. Such a beautiful setup off the 1 hour demand. Caught the volume push of the session because, as you could tell, AM session did nothing. Literally just chop, 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 channel down, and then now we're catching the actual move of the day. Happened to be PM session today. Kind of expected that with this price action during AM session. So beautiful, beautiful trade. Let's see if it hits TP. Alright, vlog. Price about to hit TP. We are up $2,700. It just needs to go one more tick. One more tick. Alright, vlog, I was literally texting my group chat for my community and my mentorship and price hit my TP. So there we go, made $3,000 on the day. Beautiful, beautiful day. Guys, the trading life is the best. There's nothing like it. There's nothing like working for 30 minutes or an hour, whatever it is, and making thousands of dollars. No other industry can do that. What I also like about trading, it's all on you, okay? You don't rely on anybody else. So if you believe in yourself, if you believe in your capabilities to make it work for yourself, this is the industry for you. I knew if I work my hardest towards something, there's no way I could fail, okay? Anybody out there can do whatever they want, obviously. They can do whatever they want in life. It just comes down to having faith in yourself and putting in the work. All right, vlog, just wrapped up meetings, helping people out, but now we're about to hit the gym, get a good pump. We're on the grind, like I said. Hit the fasted cardio in the morning, and now it's time to hit some back and buy today. I'm hyped. So you guys are gonna see. Give me 3 months. I'm gonna be jacked. All right.
I know I can't get enough of you. Leave it all to bloom. You were right. I know I can't get enough of you. No, the things that I would do under the water. I'm sinking further down, floating on nothing.
Alright, vlog, we wrapped up the gym, and now we're just chilling on the balcony. It's such a beautiful day here in Southern California. It's like 70 degrees out. It's beautiful. Okay, enjoying the balcony while I'm here. And yeah, I don't know what we got else. I think we're gonna get In-N-Out, even though we just got groceries, just because we're highly we're highly addicted to In-N-Out. We get it probably 4 times a week, maybe even more. Who knows? But yeah, that's about it for the vlog, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed. And once again, like always, if you guys want a trading community by your side, but also videos on how my strategy works and how trading works, click the link below. It's my free Discord. It's completely free. And yeah, join the team.